everyone, welcome to Makayla's Playground. Today, we're going to play Boom Boom Balloon. And I'm back with my mommy and daddy.
Hello, hey guys. Welcome back.
Hi, Mama.
This is my daddy that cuddles with me when he misses me. Now look at, so first, we roll the dice like this. And when you land on like a 1, you just press the same one.
Once.
Oh, you push it in one time?
Yeah, but if you roll 2 or 3, you can just do a different stick if you want to do 2 or 3. And either is fine. The total is the number clicks equals the number on the die, and you have to click it so softly, and whoever pops the balloon first loses the game. At the bottom right here, you see it?
Did you do that or did she do that?
I did.
You did it.
Wow.
So don't pop the balloon is what I understand.
Yeah,
so we're not.
Mommy, can you get
Whoever pops the balloon loses.
Can you get my earmuffs? Can you get your earmuffs?
So she doesn't want to hear the sound of the balloon popping, so she's wearing my headset.
Yeah, it has this little cord, so
Okay, put it on. Okay, put it in. Okay, let me see this. Let me see the cord. See. Makayla, can you hear me? Hold on, let me. If I put this right here, can you hear it pop loud? Just kidding.
Maybe we should whisper so she doesn't.
Okay, ladies first. Ladies first. Ladies first.
Okay, ladies first. Okay.
Ladies first.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. Oh, okay. Here.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. I got a 2. Okay.
Okay.
So I just pick
a
one?
stick and
Anyone?
push it in twice.
Okay,
So
but
click it.
But mommy, do it like this, okay? Like
Push.
let me help you like this, okay?
Wait. Wait, hold on. Let me see.
Oh!
Oh,
Is that it?
Yeah.
something almost broke.
Okay.
Press it down. Okay. Ooh, that was a good one.
If you get 3, you can do 1, 2, 3, okay?
Oh, you don't have to
okay.
do all the same one?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we ever play by the rules?
I don't know. Go.
1. Okay.
Yeah, skipped you. You skipped her.
1. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I'll go now.
So I think after you press it in a couple times, you get a feel for how much force.
What?
Daddy's turn.
Let's just. Come on, Snake Eyes. That's for dice players out there. Okay, 2.
Oh. Oh.
That was fast.
Because I'm fast.
I know it.
Okay, so if you look at the balloon, you see the.
You must have a headache.
See all the waves disfigured?
That's the easiest way?
Yeah. Ooh.
You just made that up.
2.
Uh-oh, I think this is it. Hold on.
1.
Let me talk. Makayla. Makayla, it's gonna pop.
I know.
I don't want it to pop.
Go.
Oh my god.
Go.
Okay.
You did it?
This just in. A little more. A little more.
Oh.
Let me help.
It didn't click. It's just.
Let me see.
It went in?
I just.
There.
There. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay.
I don't. How did that pop?
I barely touched it and it popped.
Because it had 50.
Guys, replay that. Mommy did not touch the balloon. It just. Guys, Mommy, replay that. I did not touch the balloon to make it pop.
Who did it? I did it or you did it?
No, replay that. I did not pop the balloon.
So I did it.
Yeah.
Okay, I did it.
Mom
I lost that
Mom,
round.
so what you're saying is Mom lost.
Okay, I want to do it again?
All right, good job. Let's try it again.
One more. One more. So it comes with the packet. How many balloons, Makayla?
Let me pull these out again. Hold on. This needs. Oh, and also it doesn't pull back out. You have to push it all the way through, or else.
And then do that. Okay.
So basically, just reset them all.
I talked to myself again.
What?
What?
I said, so if you run out of the 12 if you run out of the 12 balloons, can we use regular balloons?
Yeah, regular balloons will work.
Okay, that's all I want to know. There you have it, straight from the horse's mouth. Okay, well, is that how you do it?
I don't think it. No. That's do it. No. Let me show you the trick. Here, take it
You
out.
just tie it after?
Yeah. Don't blow it in there.
That's it.
So if you want to make it difficult, do it this way.
We're just making up our own rules.
Yeah. Oh, go. Yeah.
Come here.
For blowing
looks
it up
difficult.
until we get sick. Daddy,
Until we get sick.
look it. Headstand to balloon boom balloon.
All right, guys. So that was
I still don't know.
round. This is round 2. Mom lost. Makayla won. Dad probably gets the challenge. Okay, go.
Do we have a challenge?
No challenge. I'm just kidding. All right, let's go.
I want to do.
Who's going first?
Okay, ready, set, go. I go first.
One.
That's
So I think it's like probably you get a good amount of spins in here.
Spins.
Well, the dice you get a good amount. Probably
there you go.
about 10 or 12 before it starts getting crazy.
3. Mommy, you can either do a more and
Okay, I'll do 1, 2,
Man,
3.
3.
That was
I'm
too
heavy-handed.
very
and
fast.
there's no coming back either. Okay, go.
It's Daddy's turn.
2.
Ooh, that's a good one. 1, 2. No, I want to roll.
Oh, you want to roll again?
1. Wow.
Mommy, which
Thought you had
one
3.
is just Lisa's?
Ask Dad. Dad's
see,
more
hold
the expert on this stuff. Dad knows more pressure.
Pressure point.
Air.
Jiu-jitsu.
Air pressure.
How?
Okay, right here.
Which one?
Based on the composition of the balloon viscosity,
Mommy, cover my ear with this.
Okay.
Really tight.
I would say your best.
Not that tight.
Let's do right here.
Okay, there.
Where?
That's the pressure point
Do that
right here. 1.
Oh! He's right.
Told you.
Oh gosh.
Dad know everything.
Oh,
Dad know Mom, 2.
Yeah, 2 is the least.
Oh, hold on.
1.
Whoever wins
One.
gets to eat cherry seeds.
No.
Just
Alright, Mom lost 2 in a row. That was pretty fun.
Yeah, good thing we don't have any challenges today.
That was pretty good.
Okay.
Alright.
2. Okay, how many games are we playing?
Just one more.
One more? Okay.
It was pretty fun. I thought there was going to be needles on the tips.
No.
Obviously, it's a kid game, so
Don't eat chocolate after 7.
Okay.
Mommy, can I tell you a secret?
Done.
here we go. The hardest way to do it. Pay attention.
Wait, I wonder if this is really the way.
I would think you blow it up and then you pull it through and twist
But
it.
how do you know what size it is?
You measure with your tape measure the way you go like
The
that.
way I do, like this.
It's the most difficult way.
She's her mother's daughter.
Peter Pan.
3.
I knew it. Wait. Replay that. I did not move the table.
What are you
Wait, replay that. You almost cheated.
What are you listening to in there? I can't be. Well, I already lost if we're playing
Ready?
3 games. I lost 2 out of 3, so.
2.
Okay, go.
2.
It was a
Replay that. I cheated. Hey, okay.
Go 2 for me.
Okay, okay, can I do 2
Yeah.
for you? You got 2?
I got 2.
Yes.
Hey, it's my turn!
Oh, we almost skipped her.
1. Replay that! I did not touch the balloon when I was about to do the stick. I did not touch it.
Replay.
You never know how it's gonna go when kids lose.
Okay. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another Boom Boom Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. And remember,
Boom, boom, Makayla.
remember to follow us on Instagram and TikTok. And just remember to subscribe, click the bell button, and give it a big thumbs up
Nice.
for a nice educational video.
Oh, science alert.
Hey guys, if you have this at home, you can just play it. If you don't have any more of these balloons, you can just use regular balloons.
And that's what I've been asking this whole video. Finally answered my question.
we can do face paint videos, or we can do books, reading videos, or we can do learning how to swim pool videos or face paints. Hurry up, click them.
Hurry.
Hurry
up, click subscribe.
Hurry now.
Hurry up
You haven't clicked
before
yet?
it disappears. And remember, and stay healthy too, and get clicking. Help.
Mark.
Do it next.
Okay.
We're just gonna push it all the way in, right?
Oh.
Ready?
Go.
You do that side, Joe.
Hold it.
Man. All right.
All right, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Stay
you.
safe. Have fun.